Wagwan blessed people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be, I think, part 9 or part 10 of my Jamaican patois for beginners. I am not sure what number it is, but I'll find out as soon as I go to post it. So I have the correct number, but for now I'm not sure. But today's video is going to be your Jamaican patois for beginners. As usual, you know we don't want to draw it out, but you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. This video is going to be a little different because it's going to be some nowadays Jamaican slang. And by nowadays, I mean they're most recent, so your grandmother won't know them or probably your mother won't know them. So I'm putting you on to game because these are the slangs that younger Jamaicans use. Probably like 30, 35, 40, coming forward to about 8, 10, 5, 3. So yes, let's jump straight into the video. So the first slang is a yes so nice. A yes so nice, which means in English, right here is nice. And that kind of originated from a dancehall song. As far as I know, I could be wrong, but I know about a yes so nice. And usually you would use that if you're at a party and you're among your friends and the party real turn up. Like when I say turn up, I don't mean loud. I mean the party turn up, like the party nice, like good vibes. Then you look at your friend and say a yes so nice. Also, a lot of people use it as sarcasm. If two people are arguing, like cursing, in Jamaica we call it cuss. If two people are cuss, you'll use it as sarcasm and you'll say a yes so nice, because when people start to talk other people's business, and you know sometimes it's funny when people are cursing. To me, it's always funny unless they're fighting. Sometimes Jamaicans cursing, it's very funny if they're not getting physical and abusive to each other. It's kind of funny. So then we'll say a yes so nice and you laugh and you go. But basically a yes so nice meaning you're at a party and the party is nice, the vibes is nice. So you'll say a yes so nice, a yes so nice. Here is nice, right here is nice. A yasso or yasso mean here, right here. Another Jamaican slang that I want to tell you about is beat them bad. Beat them bad, like beat them bad. It doesn't mean physically beating a person. It just simply means you look good, your outfit turn up. Yeah, say one, you look the best in the party, or you're among the best looking people in the party. You know, not necessarily by face, but your outfit. It's mainly about your outfit. So beat them body. Yeah man, go on D, beat them body. Yeah, beat them body. You know, your outfit just turn up. That's, I don't know how else to say it. Your outfit look good. You look good. Your outfit turn up. Another slang that's not so new, your parents may know about it, it's Gallus. It just refers to a man who has a lot of girlfriends, like more than one girl, in more than one relationship, seen more than one girl. We call him Gallus. In the Jamaican culture, in Jamaican patois, Gallus. Me a Gallus from long time. You'll hear it in a lot of dancehall music. That word you'll hear in a lot of dancehall music. G-Y-A-L-I-S. Gallus. Man a Gallus long time. Man a Gallus long time. You know, man a Gallus. To me, it's not something to brag about because I believe in monogamy and I don't want to be with a Gallus, but it's a slang word. Gallus. Man a Gallus. Man have enough girlfriend. Man a Gallus. Another slang word I want to tell you about is one Prio. P-R-E-E. Prio. It just means to look at, to observe. So a long time I pray, you know. So if a man said to you like a long time I pray, you know, my girl, meaning a long time they're looking at you, it doesn't necessarily mean they're looking you. You probably just been acting wrong. I don't know, whatever wrong is. And they say a long time I pray, you know, I know you're gonna come with that, you know, a long time I pray you. But in most cases, if a Jamaican man say a long time I pray you, then basically mean they're watching you a long time, they're looking at you a long time, they're observing you a long time, they kind of like you. But it doesn't always mean like. It can mean different things, but mainly if a Jamaican said to you, especially if you don't know them and you see them for the first time, or you see them a couple of times but it's the first time you guys talking and it's a positive conversation, they'll say a long time me I pray you know, my girl, a long time me I pray you know, a long me I pray you. That mean me looking at you a long time, me observing you a long time, me like you a long time. Another slang that I wanted to share with you is load up the thing. A lot of Jamaican use that. Now that one is one of the nowadays one. A lot of Jamaican use that. And to load up the thing, you're basically telling a person business or talking loud. Telling something where a person don't want everybody to hear. You're telling it loud. I don't want everybody to know that I'm seeing someone and you just load up the things, so you just talk loud, so you just talk about my boyfriend loud, so I don't want everybody to know that I eat meat. You just load up the things, so you just talk loud, so I don't want everybody to know that I'm going to foreign. And you just load up the things, so you just talk up the things. So my girl, stop load up the thing now, you just load up the thing. So load up the thing, which means you're just talking their business, which means in most cases you're making other people aware of what some people don't want other people to know. You just load up the thing. Stop load up the thing, no man. Stop load up so I have a party, me not invite a lot of people. Stop load up the thing, no man. Yo, stop load up the thing, no man. For example, I'm going to have a party and I invite certain friends. I don't want everybody to come because it's not a big party, so I can't invite the whole community. So I invite a couple people and I see her down the road and she say, what time the party start? My girl said to her, say, my girl, stop load up the thing, no man. Which means, you know, everybody if you know you have a party, because you basically never invite everybody. I hope that makes sense to you. Another one that's a nowadays slang is bill. B-I-L-L, like you pay your bill, but it doesn't mean paying your bill. It basically means to chill, to relax, kick back. What you up to do, you know me there a bill, but just a kick back, but just a chill, but just a relax and watch where I go on. Me a bill. Yeah man, me a go on bill ya so. Do you come out on the road tonight? No man, me I go and bill home. I just relax and chill home. I just chill home. So bill in Patois basically mean chill in English. I know bill in English means something different to everyone, but bill in Patois just mean you chill. So if a person tell you in Patois, they are billing, it don't necessarily mean, or it don't mean at all that they're paying their bills. It just means they're chilling, they're relaxing, they're just laying low, keeping it easy, going easy, taking it easy. Another slang that's a nowadays slang that you probably won't hear your mom or your grandmother say is frass. Frass, F-R-A-S-S, frass in Patois. It's usually used in coordination with partying or hanging out with friends or liming. Me say last night me frass, you see the party this, so turn up me frass. Meaning you drank a lot, so you may have been a little buzzed, or maybe you smoke, so you may have been a little high, or something like that. Me frass out. Or your friends may say to you, like you're having a conversation and you say something to them that they're thinking, it's crazy for you to say that to me. Like, my girl, you're frass. You know, them I say, you're mad, you're high. You know, you say that to me, you're high. I don't do that. You're high, my girl, you're frass. But usually it's used in a coordination with partying or hanging out or liming or even by yourself. Yo, my girl, last night me just stay home and chill. Me frass your fat. Me had to drink 2 rum and coke. Me drink some rum cream and me smoke a spliff, and my girl, me frass out. Like, frass basically mean high. When Jamaicans think about high, it's either from drinking or smoking weed. So my girl, me frass out last night. Yeah, frass. Frass just mean high. And the final slang that's a nowadays slang that your grandmother or your mother probably don't know, but your friends will probably know about it, your younger friends, is one that say mad or bad. Mad. Yo, my girl, a party they mad mean the party was nice, the party turn up. Yo, you dress bad, you know, or you dress mad, you know. That mean you just look good. Nobody else don't have it, even if somebody else have it. But my girl, you dress look good. Or my girl, a food bad, you know, your curry chicken bad, you know, which mean your curry chicken just tastes good. Or your curry chicken mad, you know. If you notice, I put mad and bad together because they're used interchangeably, and you'll hear a person telling you about something mad and then they go to say it's bad, just like I just did. I know I just did that a while ago. Girl, rice and peas mad, you know. Yeah man, it bad, you fart, it mad. It just means it's good. It doesn't mean that it's crazy or insane like mad means in English. It just means that it was really, really good. I've never had nothing like it, or it's among the top that I've had. It's mad. Yo, Beenie Man come out with a new song, it mad, the song bad. Yo, Vibes Cartel come with a new song, it bad, it mad. Mad and bad used interchangeably just to mean something sounds good, something's like really up there, something is top, something is top class, something was awesome, basically. So that's your Patois lesson for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notification bells on. Also, don't forget that I have Patois merch and the link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you again in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.